device is the revised model of the personal information processor, or the wrist-mounted Windows computer, and I'm actually probably going to be switching this to a Raspberry Pi, because although I do have a computer that fits into this, it is starting to give me a lot of problems. Like, a lot of problems. Like, dear fucking God. I didn't know I could have this many problems with this shit. Literally, I've got one version working, and it had so many problems where Windows wouldn't recognize the touchscreen, so I had to use a mouse with it. And in trying to fix the problem, and ended up breaking the pins, so I got to buy another display. But Raspberry Pis are very, very good at what they do, especially with the new ones, the Raspberry Pi 4. So once I get this 3D printed, I'll be getting a new printer tomorrow, or today if you guys are watching it. At least I should be getting it today. This will be printed, and I'm probably just going to print the top part, and I'm not going to print this part or this part. This is the USB receiver right here, where you can plug in your USBs. I've got the port separated so that I can do separate stuff. But I've did cooling vents and stuff, which the old design didn't have. I've also got some decorative pieces right here, so it's not just like a flat piece of plastic like the second iteration was. The first iteration I think only had decorative bits up here, but yeah, this new one's gonna have a sun visor. I don't think the first or second iterations had a sun visor, but yeah. I'll post an update once this is 3D printed. It's probably going to be a couple days. Like I said, I'm working on Dora the Ford Explorer, turning it into a camper RV, just like a small camper. But I'll post an update once this is all finished and 3D printed. I had contracted one person to 3D print them, but apparently it's too complicated for their printers. So I'll try it with my printers. If not, I'll go to a professional agency. But yeah, we are going to work on this. Maybe once this one's all finished, maybe I'll put it on eBay for bidding or whatever, see how much I can get out of it with eBay bidding. This will be a one-of-a-kind computer, obviously, but yeah, maybe I can post the schematics for this once it's all done. But yeah, the Duskin mods. Maybe I'll like put Duskin mods in text up here. Well, Duskin Mod Studios or something. But yeah, if you guys like this update, please like and subscribe for more. I'll have another update pretty soon involving the Windows Pipboy computer. And peace out. That's all I've got for you guys.